Do you also struggle with the question, where do I even start with my bass line? If that sounds familiar, I have something game-changing for you. It's called the bass tracking. And in this video I'll give you 5 reasons why this tool will help you to create groovy bass lines fast with zero stress. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Instant bassline generation. Bass tracking can generate a complete bass line in any genre: house, techno, pop, jazz and much more. Choose your style, press generate and you get a ready-to-use bass line instantly. Number 2. Full control over MIDI and audio. You are not locked with the generated result. Simply export the MIDI into your DAW. You can edit every note, adjust the groove, change the rhythm, tweak the velocities and customize the pattern however you like. If you prefer to work with audio, you can export the stems into your DAW. Reason number 3. Incredible sound quality. Bass tracking includes a wide range of powerful bass presets, from warm analog subs to aggressive electronic basses. You can also add effects and shape the sound exactly the way your track needs it. Reason number 4. Perfect synchronization with MIDI Wizard. If you use MIDI Wizard, bass tracking syncs seamlessly. Chords, melodies and bass lines match perfectly. It's one of the fastest ways to build full tracks. Reason number 5. Use it as a standalone synth. And even without a generator, bass tracking is a great bass synth plugin. Just load your own MIDI clips and design your bass sound from scratch. You can also connect your MIDI keyboard with the bass tracking in your DAW and play the bass line by listening to a backing track. So if you want to try the bass tracking and the MIDI Wizard by yourself, please check my affiliate link below in the description. There you will also find a link to get a free download of a collection of bass and synth samples generated by this plugin. So if this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.